Good morning. Welcome to today's vlog. Today is Friday, February 7th, and I'm just about to do our weekly groceries and errands, so I wanted to bring you guys along. I'm starting off at Walmart, and then I'm going to be going to No Frills, Food Basics, and I might go to the Maple Lodge factory, but probably not today just because of the fact that it's really shitty outside. But yeah, I have my tea ready, and I will see you in the next clip. Very gloomy day, but we are going to make the most of it. Here we come. Numbers are 97 cents each. Going to get this for family. Also getting this. The Kraft cheeses, big size, are all $3.97, so that's great. I think I'm gonna just go with marble, which is over here. Make sure you check the date. Yeah. Blueberries are $1.97 for one of these pints. I'm gonna probably get two for BJ. The tuna is on sale for 87 cents, and that's really what I came here for. That's the flaked light tuna, and I got a case of the chunk light tuna as well. Not very pretty outside, but we are on to the next place, which is No Frills. Mushrooms are $2.97 at No Frills, so I'm just gonna grab a pack of these. These are the bigger kind. Meats, 5 pounds, is $2.97. So I'm just gonna grab one of these. 10-pound bag of yellow onions is $2.97. Grab one of those. Garlic, probably gonna get 2 packs of these. And then 10-pound potatoes are $2.97, so I'm gonna grab one of those. Strawberries are $1.87, so I'm just gonna choose a good pack. Going to get one cilantro. Blackberries are over here, $1.97. Probably gonna get 2 of these. Going to grab one of these for BJ. $7.86 for one of these big slabs. Bacon is on sale. I'm gonna grab 2 of those. Good old chocolate. Next up, Food Basics. Still a little snowy. Okay, so I just finished No Frills Walmart Food Basics. Unfortunately, I didn't really continue with the vlog style that I was doing earlier because at No Frills, one of the workers was just like, I don't get mad, but like, I don't think they'd be happy with you guys taking prices and stuff. And I'm like, I'm tagging you guys in it and all that stuff, but like, I didn't want to vlog anymore. And then at Food Basics, like, it was so busy. And I just think that like Fridays is not the ideal time, so I tried to stick with like taking pictures so I can post it on my Instagram, and then when this goes live I'll just do like a grocery haul or whatever. But that was interesting. I just got VJ a coffee from Tim Hortons, and now I'm just gonna quickly get some lunch for us from Mr. Big's Jerk in Mississauga, and it's basically a $5 lunch special. I'm going to get the order of the lunch special jerk chicken on half rice, half coleslaw, and then I think VJ wants one that's all on coleslaw, so that's what we're gonna get. Okay, so that's the jerk chicken lunch special. I'm just gonna have that right now. Super filling, really delicious. And this is what I mean when I say half rice, half vegetables. I'm gonna heat these 2 up and weigh it out, and then I'll have that. So here you have me weighing out my food and entering it into MyFitnessPal. So the 83 milliliters was the coleslaw and the last thing that I weighed, just because I want to wait until these 2 things were heated up in the microwave. And then the rice and peas was 160 grams. And then this was 5.5 ounces. So based on that, I entered into MyFitnessPal, including my Coke. In total for this meal, it was 728 calories, and the nutrition breakdown was 38 grams of protein, 74 grams of carbs, and 31 grams of fat. I also didn't eat breakfast, so this will be my breakfast and lunch. Alright, last stop is the Maple Lodge Chicken Factory. I'm just gonna quickly go in there and go to the back. There's like a chicken shop at the front, and then in the back there's like this little trailer, and that's where you get like the cases or whatever that you're getting. So I'm gonna quickly go do that. Welcome everyone to the grocery haul portion of this video. So today's Friday, February 7th, and I'm just gonna do the Food Basics grocery haul in this portion. And altogether, this whole lot was for $77.36. And I'm just gonna go through everything that I got starting back here. So the oatmeal, I did overpay. It was $3.49, only because I kind of forgot, and at the last store I realized I didn't pick it up yet, and Food Basics doesn't price match. So that was $3.49. Normally I get it for $2.50 or sometimes as low as $2. English muffin was on sale for $1.99 from Food Basics. I got some jam for my dad and that was on sale for $2.99. These little wafer things that my mom takes to work were 97 cents each. Then I have some frozen vegetables. I have 3 of the cut okra and then 3 of the spinach, just 2 different brands because they didn't have it. And they were all $1.49 each. And then broccoli was $1.67 each. Pork chops, I think it was like $1.88, but altogether this whole pack was $6.76 and there's about 6 pieces in there, pretty thick pieces. This was super expensive, but the calories are really good. So it's basically double smoked back bacon, and it reminds me of the bacon you'd have on a English muffin at McDonald's, like Canadian bacon. But for 5 slices, it's 110 calories, 3.5 grams of fat, and 2 grams of carbs and 20 grams of protein. And it's actually bacon, like not turkey bacon. So I feel like it would actually taste good. But it was $6.99, so that's like kind of ridiculous. But I'm like, okay, let's just try it because it was on sale by like $1. So actually $7.99. So I'll tell you how that is. Then these were some deli meats, 2 different flavors. So it was $5 per pack, and they come with 250 gram packs each, which we're gonna just try out. And they also had a coupon, like a manufacturing coupon for $1 off each. So it was really $4. So it wasn't that bad. We're gonna try these 2 out, and like they're kind of resealable, so I feel like it will store better in the fridge. That's good. So then we have the avocado, which the bag was for $2.88. I'll probably put these in the fridge because of the fact that there's some over there that are already sitting out. And then the sweet potatoes were $1.28 a pound. Kind of expensive. It's been as low as 99 cents a pound, but that was the cheapest I could find it. A pack of limes was for $2.98 and it came with 6, so about 50 cents each lime. The field tomatoes were 2 for $5, so $2.50 each. Blueberries were $1.67 each, which were not bad. Green chilies, that pack was about $3, $2.92. Green onions were $1.67 each, so I just got 1. Tomatoes were a little expensive and I kind of just forgot about it. It was $2.48 a pound versus I think it might have been as low as 99 cents a pound at Freshco, I'm not sure. Oranges were 66 cents a pound. Romaine lettuce was $2.98 for 3, and that's it. That concludes everything that we got at Food Basics, and the grand total again was $77.36. Okay, also included that was this 4-pack of Haagen-Dazs ice cream. It's like the minis, and there's 4 in a box. And the macros are 180 calories, 12 grams of fat, 16 grams of carbs, and 2 grams of protein. High in sugar, but delicious. Welcome to the no frills portion of this grocery haul. So all of these things for $46.45. So starting from this side, this is just cilantro for $1.27. 10-pound bag of yellow onions was for $2.97. Russet potatoes was for $2.97. We had a 5-pound bag of beets also for $2.97. At Real Canadian Superstore, they had 18-pack large size eggs for $2.98, so I price matched 2 of those. Pork rib was like $1.99 a pound. This whole slab was about $8.36, so Vijay can make something with that. The Kit Kat white chocolate, which is like bomb.com, was $2, and it comes with like 6 mini Kit Kats. The bacon was for $2.97. There were actually not very many classic cut bacon, but there were a lot more of the reduced fat, but luckily I did manage to find it. The 454 gram pack of mushrooms is for $2.97. Garlic was 97 cents each. These strawberries were $1.87. Blackberries were $1.97. And that concludes everything we got from No Frills for $46.45. Alright, so these are the last 2 stores, which is Walmart, all of this stuff, and then the Maple Lodge factory outlet. So from Walmart, it was $85.16, probably because of the tuna. And at Maple Lodge, it was $46.80. Over here, the tuna was all 87 cents, as you saw. So I got 2 different kinds. One is chunk light tuna, and one is flaked light tuna. Both are in water, but I feel like the chunk light tuna is easier to work with because it's chunkier and you can get the water out faster. But I got both, whatever my mom wants. And then I also got the flake light tuna, spicy Thai flavor. This was 87 cents as well. Normally it could be like $1.49. I got 4 of those. Cucumbers were 97 cents each. The cheese was for $3.97, and the iceberg lettuce I price matched to Metro for $1.47. I think it was like $2 there. This was like $8.98 or $7.98, and this was $18. And like my parents just used the sensitive free and gentle style. So altogether at Walmart, it was $85.16. Then over here at the Maple Lodge Factory outlet, we just basically got boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and it's 5 kg, which works out to be 11 pounds, and it was $46. So I think if I did the math, it was like 4 something a pound for boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and we're just getting it from here because we're not going to Terra for now. So that's all the stuff that we got. And that concludes the grocery haul portions of this video. Mwah! Alright, and now we have a pretty simple recipe on how to make the wrap, and I'm going to show you guys the main ingredients. So I have some hummus over here. It's a garlic hummus from the store. You hear the chicken popping in the background. I have some great value tzatziki sauce, which I track both of these. I'm also going to add in some sauerkraut just for more flavor. And then I have some kale, I have cucumber that I kind of slivered up, I have some red onions, I have tomatoes, and then I have 1 tortilla that I'm just slowly crisping. Whoops, that's a little crispy. So I'm going to start dressing it right now as soon as the chicken is done. So first step, I have 25 grams of hummus that I'm layering on here using the back of a spoon. Now I'm adding 23 grams of tzatziki, same thing all over. And as you guys saw, this side is super crispy, the other side is not as crispy, which is fine because by the time I finish assembling, it will be. I'm just trying to get as much of the surface with this sauce as well. So now I'm going to start creating like a sandwich by putting a layer of the vegetables before I put the chicken. Cucumber. And now I'm going to start layering all the chicken. There you go. And then all of the rest of the vegetables. Now is the hard part. So try to bring it all back into the middle like a log. And what we're going to do, the more crispy it is, the harder it is to do. I'm going to fold it over. And there you have it. So that is the wrap. It's actually really big and like pretty hefty in size if you compare it to like my hand. So really delicious filling meal for dinner.